How to download Canva on mobile device. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can download Canva on your mobile device. For that, you'll have to open your Play Store or any other app store of your device. Once you enter the home page of the Play Store, look for the search bar. Click on the search bar and enter the keyword Canva. You will be presented with the search results here. Look for the authentic Canva app. Once you find it, you will also see install button positioned at the right of the app. You can also enter the interface of Canva application by clicking on its icon. There also you will see install button. Click on it to install the application. Now wait patiently until installation process completes. Once the installation process completes, there you will see open button. Go ahead and tap on that open button and it will take you directly to the Canva application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video.